Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to change ear tips on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Let's get started. And firstly, let's just take them out of the case. And now let's take this earbud first, and you would need to hold it tight and turn inside out those ear tip like that, and then you need to pull it out. Also pay attention to the size of the ear tip. It is usually indicated on its inner part of each ear cushion. So I'm just gonna show you this quickly. Here you can see the letter. I don't know if you can see it right now because it is really small and almost invisible, but it is in a size M. Right here you can find those letters. So now you would need to squeeze it a little and pull it towards you. Done, like that. Now you can clean this part if you need to and take another ear cushions. In my case it would be the same because unfortunately I do not have spare ones. And now you would need to hold the earpiece and squeeze the new ear cushion a little bit. It may be a little stiff because it's plastic, but a little effort will do the trick. So press it against the earpiece and make sure it fits securely. And also you will hear a slight click. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.